So it depends on the units they're teaching. So the ones that have practical elements such as mechanisms or materials testing and such, it's great because it's brought their lessons to life in a visual way. So they might have actual practical examples they can use. Depending on the teacher, depends on the style or the way in which they're using it. But all of them have said very good things in terms of the ease at which they can assign the classes, because I can assign for everybody. So it's very limited work for individual teachers. Yeah, really good. It's probably my favourite bit. I don't like to stand still and watch the students work, so we tend to set a lot of the independent stuff at home, but in the lesson we dip into the interactive. And again, what I like is the fact that you can get them started on something. So I may introduce it with a taught or a led example, and then I can give them a series of challenges. So as well as them learning, I've been learning too, because I've had a chance to have a play and I go, oh, I didn't realise that was the case. And then what I found excited about learning, I can immediately give to them, and they can then work their way through to discover those as well. It's the USP, isn't it? The whole process is the fact that you can interact with the slides. It's not just Mr. Nash finding something, sticking it on a slide, and then looking at it, or a link to YouTube that doesn't work after a month. The resources are just live all the time. Students can come back to them, they can watch the animations, they can interact, and then immediately answer questions as well.
And LJ Create helped us to bridge the gap and understand the transfer from theory to practical.
Core exams where you got to have a lot of knowledge on the topic, because it could just randomly come up like a GCSE or A-level. I found it to be quite useful because it was specifically catered to what we was doing on our core exams.
We've used the hydraulic and pneumatic simulators, which was a really good way of understanding hydraulics and pneumatics from someone who's never even begun that. So LJ Create was really good for that.
Started to revise a bit more, and then my progress in tests just kept going up. Just kept seeing improvements after started revising with LJ Create.
Reading a textbook tends to be, for me, just what's in the content. It's not teaching, whereas working through the LJ Create platform, you're actually teaching and assessing, and you've got instant feedback. I don't think you get to a position where you can feel very confident at teaching the whole of an engineering qualification. But LJ Create gives you the confidence, gives the students the confidence, because they know when they get to that exam, we have covered every single aspect. The biggest thing for us is the building up of resources. When we first came, there wasn't even computers. There was only 13 staff in the whole school, and now we're a completely full, oversubscribed school, you know, outperforming other schools in engineering. So we've come a long way.